Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.5 question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Let us find question number 1. Here you see question number 1 is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Here we will use the identity that is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We'll apply this identity here, right? That is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. That can be written as x square plus 2y whole square plus z square is 4z whole square plus 2xy plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2yz 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2zx 2 into z means 4z into x. That is, we are getting the value that is x square plus 4y square 4y square plus 4 for the 16 z square plus 2 to the 4 xy plus 2 to the 4 for the 8 yz plus 2 for the 8 zx. That is answer. The answer is x square plus 4y square plus 16 z square plus 4xy plus 2 to the 4 for 16. It will be 16, not 8. It will be 16. Here you see 2 to the 4 for the 16 16yz plus 8zx. That is the answer of question number 1. Now you solve question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, number 2 is 2x minus y plus z whole square. We use this identity again, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. That is equal to 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z square plus 2xy 2 into 2xy into minus y plus 2yz plus 2 y is minus y into z plus 2zx 2 into z, x is 2x. Therefore we are getting 22, that is 4x square 4x square plus y square plus z square to the 4, that is minus 4xy minus 2yz plus to the 4zx. Therefore the answer is 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx xz. That is the answer of question number 2. We solve question number 3. Solve question number 3. Question number 3 is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Apply the unit x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Right? Let us find this one. Question number 3. Question number 3 is minus 2x whole square minus 2x minus 2x whole square, that is x square, plus y square is 3y whole square, 3y whole square, plus z square is 2z whole square, 2z whole square, plus 2xy plus 2 into x is minus 2x, y is 3y plus 2yz, 2y is 3y, and z is 2z plus 2zx plus 2, z is 2z, and x is minus 2x. Therefore, we are getting minus into minus, that is plus 4x square plus 3 to the 9 y square plus 2 to the 4 z square plus minus 2 to the 4 to the 12 minus 12 xy plus 3 to the 6 6 to the 12 12 yz minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8 zx. Right? The answer is 4x square. The answer is 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus zx. The answer of question number 3. We solve question number 4. Question number 4 is here you see question number 4 is 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, or we are writing here as 3a whole square plus minus 7b whole square plus minus c whole square plus 2xy plus 2, x is 3a, y is minus 7b plus 2yz plus 2, y is minus 7b, 2yz, z is minus c plus 2zx plus 2, z is minus c, and x is 3a. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the 9 a square minus into minus is plus 7 to the 49 plus 49 b square minus into minus plus c square minus 3 to the 6 is 42 ab minus 42 ab minus into minus is plus 7 to the 14 bc minus 3 to the 6 ac. Therefore, the answer of question number 4 is 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6ac. That is the answer of question number 4. We'll solve question number 5. Here you see question number 5 is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Use the identity x plus y plus z whole square that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we are using this identity, we are getting minus 2x whole square x square plus y square 5y whole square plus minus 3z whole square plus 2xy plus 2 x is minus 2x, y is 5y plus 2yz, y is 5y, z is minus 3z plus 2zx, 2, z is minus 3z, x is minus 2x. Therefore, we are getting the value minus into minus is plus, that is we are getting 4 x square plus 5 is 25 y square plus 3 is 9 z square 9 z square minus 2 to the 4 4 is 20 xy minus 5 to the 10 10 is 30 minus 30 yz minus is plus 3 to the 6 6 to the 12 zx 12 zx. Therefore, the answer is 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20 xy minus 30 yz plus 12 xz. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Use the identity x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. If we are getting 1 by 4 a whole square plus minus 1 by 2 b whole square plus c square 1 square z square plus 2xy plus 2 into x is 1 by 4a into y minus 1 by 2b plus 2yz minus 1 by 2b, z is 1 plus 2zx 2, z is 1 and x is 1 by 4a. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 16 16a square 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1 minus these two will cancel, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 AB minus 2 to cancel, minus B plus 2 for 1 by 2 2A. That is the answer. Let us find the answer is 1 by 16A square plus 1 by 4B square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 AB minus B plus 1 by 2 A. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.